keep it.
One of the most useful feature of both iOS and Android is one within their settings to control which apps that can run in the background. That might not sound like a big deal, but if you're tethering your laptop to a mobile hotspot with a data cap, it can save you a lot of headaches and wasted data, and possibly conserve a little battery life too. To choose what apps you'd like to allow to run, go to the Settings app. Then Privacy. Then Background Apps. Then you'll see a list of installed apps, and you can decide which ones can run in the background. You can also restrict all apps from running in the background altogether using this toggle. Another mobile operating system borrowed feature is Options within Settings apps that allows you to monitor the amount of disk space that your apps are taking up. Microsoft introduced a similar tool in the new Settings app in Windows 10. To find it, click Settings. Then System. Then Storage. Then select Apps and Features. Then wait for your computer to load and sort your apps. You'll be able to sort by drive and search for specific apps by file name so that you can figure out which apps are taking up the most space. Now that your computer has sorted your apps based on their space consumption, you can easily look for unwanted apps which are taking up much space and uninstall them. Before I show you the next tip, if you find my contents helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and like this video. I'm putting up helpful tech content like this one for you, and it will help the channel to grow if you do. Thank you very much. Now with that out of the way, let's continue with the video. This is such a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference. Suppose you have Microsoft Word open and are typing a document. In the background, you also have a web page open in a browser window. When you move your mouse over to the browser and try to scroll with the mouse wheel, the web page won't scroll because that window isn't active. By enabling Scroll Inactive Windows, you can hover your mouse over the page and scroll without needing to activate the window first. To turn on this feature, go to Settings, Devices, mouse and touchpad. Then turn on, scroll inactive windows when I hover over them. Now let's test this setting in action. As you can see here, you are able to scroll over inactive windows when this setting is on. And you lose that ability when you turn it off.